guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. Up first you would have seen Taslima from Taslima Maya Art. After Taz we had Donna from It's Art by Donna, who is our very special guest this week. So thank you very much for joining us, Donna. You are a legend. After me we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey, Shannon from ShanB Fluid Art, Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art, and Tony and Kat from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So stay on board and enjoy the ride. If you'd like to see how I did this one here, stick around to the end and I'll show you how it's done. Okie dokie. Got a little cup full of fun. And let's see what we can do.
You don't have to lie to me. Don't fill your head with things and think you're free. I can smell the fear, I think you made it clear. Yeah, I could be rude, be in a mood, I could be rotten. I could be cool, man like a fool, but never forgotten. Creeping in the dark, waiting for you. You won't like what you see. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster. Back. Yeah, I'm coming for you. I'm not heater on you. No, I'm just telling you the facts. Oh, these chains can keep me down. Yeah. I can be rude, be in the mood. I can be rotten. I can be cool, man like a fool, but never forgotten. Creeping in the dark, waiting for you. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a...
You don't believe in monsters, do you?
Of course not.
I do.
See me change into something darker. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster.
Alright, I'll do a flyover of that one. Just a different way of doing a little beach pour. Lay all your colours in the cup. You get heaps of different shades and blends when you do it that way. It makes out for some awesome colours and little lines and really cool trippy stuff. So yeah, love it. Definitely loads of fun. Alright, what I'll do is I'll press pause and we'll do another one for you. Alright guys, I'll do a close-up of that one, let you have a close look at all the crazy colours and patterns that are all through it. That one turned out really pretty. I quite like that one. Little cells hidden in there and trails of all different colour that look really cool side by side. Okie dokie. If you like that one, hit like, share and subscribe. Ring the notification bell. Ding ding. That way you get to see all my videos as I release them. Up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey. So stick around for that. If you click on the link in the title of this video, it'll take you to the channel. If you click on the link that's in the chat that I put in there, that'll take you to her premiere today. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart, totally free, on Facebook, just hit the playlist link that I put in there each week, and it plays everybody on the Fluid Art Express, one after another. That way you don't have to go hunting for different links and things like that. It just automatically plays. Alright guys, once again, thank you Donna for joining us today. We really appreciate it. And let's rock on over to Kristey. Have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.